Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have Glamego box for the month of December. Its price is 399 rupees for 1 month. If you subscribe for long term, then you will have to pay less for this. As you know, Glamego is a most affordable subscription box in India, in which all you get luxury beauty, skincare, makeup products and mostly products cruelty and paraben free. This time Glamego gave the option to refill the 5 products. So first subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon next to it and like this video and comment in the comment box. So I have given the link to this website in the description box. If you like makeup products and skincare products, then you will subscribe to the Glamego box. This is how the box reached me. So let's open this box and see what they have sent me. This time the theme is Merry Christmas because this is a Christmas this month. There is a Santa print above box which is very cool. So let's open this box. First of all, this card has a hashtag refill and it has written about 5 products. So let's immediately go to our products and see what they have sent me, and the same which I had selected or they sent something else. So I have removed all the bubble wrapping packaging to save time. So let's go through one by one. So the first product is liquid lipstick from the brand Bella Voste and its price is 599 rupees for 3.7 ml. So this time I have selected cinnamon shade number 04. I do not have to apply on my lip in the nude or brownish shade because it doesn't look good on my lip. Because there are some nude shades which do not look good on my skin, I show you the swatch how does it look like. And I have heard from the people that its reviews are good enough, then I pick up. And the next product is Valley of Flowers body mist from the brand Bio Bloom and its price is 450 rupees for 50 ml and its fragrance is very flowery and pleasant. So I love this product. All the products of Bio Bloom brand are very good. There are some product sample size in this box too. If you like it, there are so many websites so you can buy their full size such as purple.com, Nykaa.com, Myntra, Amazon, Flipkart, etc. So the third product is Red Wine Sleeping Face Gel from the brand Naturesco. Its price is 900 rupees for 35 ml and it is made in India. Apply it exactly like night cream on the face on the night time. Have to put whole night and clean in the morning. I will use this product for the first time and I hope this will suit my skin. So the fourth product is Gentle Face Mask from the brand Nimli and its price is 225 rupees for 25 gram. I have received this mask before because there are many masks after applying them the skin gets dry, but this is not the case with it. So this face mask is also good for oily skin. So the next product is Acno Mentho Cool Pimple Defense Face Wash from the brand Rohto Osaka Japan and it is for oily and acne prone skin. This is again dermatology tested brand. It claims it removes 99% of pimple causing germs and it absorbs excess sebum from the skin. And its price is 99 rupees for 50 gram and this is the fifth product of this box. If you talk about me, this time I like all the products because all the products have been selected, have been found by me. So I'm very happy with hashtag refill December box. So much for today. Very soon I will come back with a new interesting video. Wait, did you subscribe to my channel? If not, then do it now and press the bell icon because subscribing is free. So we will soon meet in our next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.